Now, I don't remember where the bit is from the Quran itself of people bowing and prostrating, but um, or maybe there's a couple for each or something like that. But um, after the starting of the prayer, with a modified form of the praising position, and however one opens with the folding of the arms in reverence position, and there's citation to follow of Surah 1 and whatever other portion, we arrive at the bowing. And most popular is the Subhana Rabbil Azim. As long as one says one of these things once, that's fine and sufficient. If one says it 3 times, this one in particular is people tend to say 3 times. How perfect my Lord is, the most supreme. Another option, Subhanaka Allahumma Rabbana wa bihamdika Allahumma ghfirli. How perfect you are, all divinity, our Lord, and I praise you. All divinity, forgive me. Subuhun Qudusun Rabbul Malaikate wa Ruh. Perfect and holy is the Lord, the angels, and the Spirit. And the Spirit, typically referring to Gabriel here. And we have the another one here. Allahumma laka raka'atu wabika amantu walaka aslamtu kasha'a laka sam'i wabasari wamukhi wazmi wa asabi wamas taqala behe qadami. All divinity, unto you I've bowed, and in you I believe, and to you I've submitted my hearing, sight, mind, bones, tendons, and what my feet carry are humbled before you. Subhana Dhil Jabarute wal Malakute wal Kibriya'e wal Azamma. All perfect is the possessor of total power, sovereignty, magnificence, and grandeur. And some say al-Malakut refers to the angelic realm, just as the fallen angel, or the fire being, so the light being realm, al-Malakut. You have the Lahut. So the Jabarut is a way of referring to the Lahut, the divine quality realm, the essence. The qualities, the way that we know God and creation per se, in terms of principles, sort of like is it the Platonic or Aristotelian fundamental ideas or something you could say. So the functionary form of that, I guess. The human realm, the Nasut. But I guess you could say that refers to all the incarnated beings, right? And the Jinnut would be the fire being realm. But that's, we're not using all those terms in this application here. And when a person rises from the bow, Sami'allahu liman hamidah. Hearing is God from those who are praising him. And after this, we're again folding our arms again. Rabbana lakal hamdu, hamdan kathiran, tayyiban mubarakan fiha. Our Lord, for you is all praise and abundant, beautiful, blessed praise. Mela samawate wa mela arde wa ma bainahuma wa mela asheta min shayin ba'adu ah la thana'e wal majde ahaqu maqalal abdu wa kuluna laka abdun Allahumma la ma ne'a lema a teita wala mu'ati'a lema mana'ata wala yanfa'u thal jadde minkal jaddu. And those of the heavens and the earth and all between them abound with your praises, and all that you will abounds with your praises. O possessor of praise and majesty, the truest thing a slave is said, and we are all your slaves. All divinity, none can prevent what you willed, and to bestow, and none can bestow what you have willed to prevent, and no wealth or majesty can be of benefit from you, as yours is all, from you is all wealth and majesty.